Is your T-Mobile Diagnostics app not working? Let's fix it. First, the most common issue is permissions. The app needs access to your location for signal triangulation, storage for logging diagnostics, and network state to monitor cellular data. Without these, it'll likely fail. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile Diagnostics Permissions, and ensure all are enabled. For iOS, check Privacy Settings and toggle permissions for the app. Next, check your network connection. Problems often arise from Wi-Fi interference, poor cellular signal, or VPN conflicts. The app tests connections. If it says no network detected, try toggling airplane mode or switching to cellular data. Make sure you are not connected to a VPN when running the app. If permissions and network aren't the issue, ensure both the app and your phone's operating system are up to date. An outdated app might not recognize new network protocols, like 5G+. Check the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for app updates. For device updates, go to Settings, System Update. If problems persist after updating, clear the app's cache. On Android, this is in Settings, Apps, T-Mobile Diagnostics Storage, Clear Cache. As a last resort, consider resetting your network settings in your phone's Settings menu. Remember, the Diagnostics app identifies problems, it does not fix them. If after using the app you are still having problems, contact T-Mobile support.